I'm Ken, and you are watching Canadian Retro Things. You are watching a video that I think I am gonna call, I don't know, a TI-99 4A Extravaganza. You may remember a while back that I picked up my very first TI-99 4A that I have ever owned, and it worked fine except for the keyboard. I had to repair some traces. Well, fast forward a little while, and I have picked up another TI-99 4A. And this one does work, except for the keyboard. The spacebar on the keyboard is completely immobile. I can't get the spacebar off. I can't do anything with it. It won't move. I don't know what somebody's done. They've welded it in place. They've glued it in place. I don't know. But it doesn't work. Now, I was going to try and repair that, but then I came across a replacement keyboard. So I thought, hey, why not just throw this into it? And there we go. It is a gray keyboard, so it's going to be a little different from the black keyboard that's in there, but you know what? I think it's going to look fine. We'll see how it looks when I replace it. Replacing a keyboard. Not really an extravaganza, you may say. But while I was out shopping a little while ago, I also came across another complete in-box. Well, I don't know if it's complete. I haven't opened this box yet. But another TI-99 4A. So we're going to replace the keyboard on that one, and we're going to open this one up and see, first off, what's in the box, and second off, whether what's in the box works or not. So, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing to do here is to take the cover off. And now, we'll get this keyboard out. I wonder if I can do that without taking the rest of the computer apart. No, I've got to take everything out, I think. Disconnect the old keyboard. And connect up the new keyboard. And there it is with the gray keyboard. Doesn't look too bad to me. Alright, so we have the new keyboard installed. Let's try it out. Power on, and it seems to be working. I've got Parsec plugged in for testing out a game. But first we'll test out Basic. First we'll test out to see that keys all seem to be working. Looks good. Weird thing with the TI-99 keyboard is a lot of the symbols, like your quote marks and brackets and everything, are on the edge of the keys here, so you have to use the function key to access them. That takes a little bit getting used to. Everything seems to be working really, really well. And it is. Okay, so now, quit. Restart the computer. Now, I did pick up one more little toy for this computer, and that was this, which is a joystick adapter. Now, it allows me to play with my Atari joystick, right here, on the TI-99 because, of course, the joysticks for this are absolutely awful. Now, I was going to build myself one of these, but I sourced out the parts and the board and everything for building it. Then I found this, and it was basically the same price, couple bucks more, but it came with a 3D printed case. So I opted just to get that for simplicity because, yeah, it works. So let's try out Parsec. So any key to begin. Fire, and there we go. Yes, Parsec is working. Now I just need the voice module module for this, and I will be able to have it speaking to me. There we go. So this computer is completely working. And now it is time to see what is in the box. Let's hope it's even a TI-99 computer. Oh. Okay, so we have the aerial connection thing. I actually don't have one of these for a TI-99 yet. Not that it's any use, but... Huh. And a manual for a TI-36 calculator. Oh, there we go. We've got ourselves a computer. Guess we're going to have to plug this one in and see if it works. Nothing under there, and in the side part we have, well, just the power brick. Oh, a different power brick than the other ones. This one plugs right into the wall. And it's safety checked. Interesting. That is a heavy brick to be hanging out of your wall. Alright, I am going to stop the video for now right here, now that I have got a completely working second TI-99 4A with that gray keyboard, and I have got my third TI-99 4A unpacked and ready to go right here. All I have to do now is take this apart, test out those voltage rails to make sure that nothing's going to explode when I plug it in, and then I can plug it in and test it out. Alright, and that's what I'm going to be doing in the next episode. So, thanks for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what you can do with the liking, the subscribing, and or the commenting below, because anything and everything you do is always greatly appreciated. See you next time.